So the first thing I did on number 3 was combine like terms. So I got 7p, and then I divided by 7p on both sides and flipped it to get p equals 0. And then next was number 8. So I distributed the 8 into the parentheses to get 40a, and then I combined like terms to get 35a minus 16 equals 194. Added 16 to both sides to get 35a equals 210, divided by 35 on both sides to get a equals 6. And then on number 15, I started by subtracting 3 from here to on both sides, and to get negative p is less than or equal to -1. And then I had to divide by -1 on both sides and flip it to get p is greater than or equal to 1. And then on the other side, I added 4 to both sides, and then got 7p is greater than or equal to -35, divided by 7 on both sides to get p is greater than or equal to -5. And then here's my graph. OPS could be 14 and an NS could be -6. And then number 16, the first thing I did was subtract 8 from this side and that side to get -3k is less than or equal to -24. Then I divided by -3 on both sides to get k is less than, and I flipped the sign because I divided by a negative, and to get k is greater than or equal to 8. Then on the other side, I added 1 on both sides, and then I got 7k is less than or equal to 42, divided by 7 on both sides to get k is less than or equal to 6. Here's the graph. There is no OPS because it's and there's a missing space, and NS would be 7. And then for 21, the first thing I did on this side was add 6 to get 5n plus 16 is less than 7n, and then I subtracted 5n on both sides to get 16 is less than 2n, divided by 2 on both sides to get 8 is less than n, and then I flipped that to get n is greater than 8. And then on the other side, I added 9 to both sides, subtracted -6n to get 15 is greater than -15n, divided by -15 on both sides to get -1 is greater than n, and then flipped it to get n is less than -1. And then here's the graph, and an OPS would also be none because it's an and NS would be 5.